Nice hotel. Best location. Hotel location is very convenient, room is great. Best location in Shibuya. Near train station / stores / resto and good price. Trip to Japan. This hotel a bit small for families but all the things are okay. Shampoo very good. Near lots of shop and foods. Good to stay there. Exceptional hotel rate a little bit pricey. Girls trip. This is an excellent hotel to stay at. It's connected to the train station so leaving and entering was a breeze. It made a very convenient location to meet with friends and tours. Staff was able to address all our concerns and communication was very easy. Staff was friendly and spoke great English. The room was spacious and very clean. Good location and view centrally located with a nice view and convenient amenities. Also within walking distance of shopping area. Location. The hotel is right in the heart of Shibuya with the train station, restaurants and shops within walking distance. The room is pretty roomy, clean with a good-sized bathroom. The hotel breakfast offers various dishes and is delicious. We stayed there for 5 nights and enjoyed our stays very much. Great location for train, dining and shopping. Hidden amongst the famous bustling Shibuya crossing, this hotel offers everything you can want. The train station, taxi and bus stops, dining and shops are all located beneath the hotel. Although this is not a new hotel, it has been upgraded and the rooms are larger than most hotels in the same area. Lastly, the staff is very friendly and speak English, which is very helpful. Excellent location. Location is so good. Rooms are big on Japanese standard rooms. Highly recommend to stay in this hotel. Great location. This was a great hotel right in the middle of Shibuya. Easy to get around with the subway station right across the street through the Shibuya Scramble. We were also able to see the Scramble from our room, but there are great views from the elevators as well. Highly recommend. Excellent location. Right next to Shibuya Station, with restaurants, stores, etc. in the building and immediate vicinity. We chose this hotel because of the airport bus service, and that was extremely convenient.